Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we're heading inside the world of Disney. I'm gonna give you a full tour inside, so come on in, check it out. So guys, before we go in, I want to show you there are several ways that you can enter inside the world of Disney. It's a very, very big retail store right here in Disney Springs. You have an entrance there. You also have a Starbucks right in front. This is where I currently am. If you look behind me, waterside stage there. There's another entrance over here with Stitch, and be careful, Stitch does spit water. And then there's another entrance around that side. So let's head in this way, and I'm gonna show you all around. And of course, I'm Medling World. We always like to enter together, guys. And want to remind everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Here we are, just walking in. This area changes a lot with their merch. Right now, it's got a lot of just Mickey and Minnie merch here. And guys, there's a lot of music in here, so I'm gonna make quick clips because with music you can get copyrights. Here we are, this is kind of I call it the hub. It's kind of the center of the store. You get a lot of well, this merch has been out a while, but it was new merch, and when it first came out, there was a lot of it, so they put it here in the middle. This area switches around a lot. There you can see they got some Nightmare Before Christmas merch out. And then back this way, guys, we have some seasonal areas. So sometimes they have the seasonal down that side where they used to do it, but I've been noticing a lot lately here in the center of the store. As I said, this is the hub. Actually, employees walk up through there. You can't see it because of the walls, but you can if you're like Roberta, my wife, who works in retail, heart of house, kind of behind the scenes. That's where they can transport things and walk through. And customers down here, guess, they can't even see you. So you can see, like, the store it's themed awesome. It's Disney. They go all out. You could come in here and just walk around and look at everything and never buy a thing, and you still have that magic energy of Disney. But you can see all of the Halloween merch still out here in the beginning of October. I'm curious to see where they put the Christmas merch, which will probably be out with, I would say, soon, very soon. So yeah, we walked in that way. Here's Disney. Let's walk over here because I just kind of want to show you. You know, I'm not going to start getting into prices and everything, but I do want to show you some of the different things they have inside World of Disney. They have luggage, guys. You can get your luggage. A lot of times you come down. I know it's happened before I lived here. We would come down as a family. We'd buy stuff. Man, I need another bag. So yes, you can buy luggage. They got backpacks. They also have Pandora, official Pandora. Disney Pandora, different charms here. So you can get all your Pandora right here. Also at the World of Disney. Here's a little exclusive bundle. I'll show you guys. So yeah, they do have some specified special Disney Pandora charms as well. Lots of jewelry over here. I'm just gonna give a walk around some of the home collection, guys. Just notice the towels too before I get over into the home collection. So if you guys watch Medling World, you'll see every month, maybe 4, 5, 6 weeks or so, I do Disney Character Warehouse, which is another official, kind of like the TJ Maxx of Disney, where they take official Disney merch, overstock things that are seasonal, that are coming out, and they sell it as a discount. You'll notice, if you look around, when I start doing updates, you'll see some of this stuff actually in there, and it's usually at least 50% off. So if you're interested in learning about Disney Character Warehouse, I'll drop a link for the most recent one I did in the description of the video, and you can get an idea. We can get discounted official Disney merch. But look at all the mugs here. As you can see, they got like cookie jars, they got aprons, they got, you know, you can put your flour and sugar and all kinds of stuff. This has been around a while, this one. Spaceship Earth. Picture frames, you got the towels, you got the wine stoppers, little pillows. Also, candies. Just kind of going through with you guys. I apologize if the camera's struggling a little bit in the artificial light. Camera likes natural light outside, but nonetheless, still want to show you everything they have. Here are the Starbucks tumblers. Still $50, holding strong. Just noted this from Pandora, guys, the Villains collection. That is pretty cool, so you can get that. So just to kind of give you an idea, we came in, right? Came in there. walked up, came around this way. Now we're kind of walking back this way, so there's what we'll call the hub, I guess. And they do have multiple areas to check out. Right now it's 11, no, it's not even 11 a.m. and the store isn't busy. If you think, believe me, this is nothing. You'll come in here at times and you can't walk. So there are multiple areas of these checkouts. I'll show you as we go through. And also they do have a mobile checkout where you can actually scan everything on your My Disney Experience app and then check out that way. And you can confirm it with the cast member. They're usually by the door. Usually somebody over here. Right now it's not busy. And they can, yeah, she's right actually over there on the left. So you can do that, and then you can go right out without having to wait in line, which is convenient. So over here, guys, lots of different t-shirts. And again, all official Disney, different promotions. 25 each when you buy two. Just to kind of show you shirts. They do have a tendency to move the store around. They change the store a lot. So, I mean, prior, there was a lot of Marvel over in this area. Now, that's moved somewhere else. Again, the seasonal, like I said, used to be kind of over there. I'll show you when we get over there. So the store does change around, but one thing that's been pretty consistent are the toys. So, you know what? Let's start over here, and we'll kind of work our way up that way towards where the toys are. Here we are, guys. Spirit jerseys. Tons and tons of Spirit jerseys. And over here, Loungeflies. Let's take a look. We'll go through the Loungeflies quick, see which ones we have. Here's a Spider-Man. We got Groot. Got some Star Wars. There is Grogu, or if some people like to say Baby Yoda. Just to give you an idea on some of the prices, guys, you can see there. But there are a lot of different Loungeflies. They have gone up in price over the last couple of years. It used to be kind of consistently around 78. That one was what? Okay, yes, we still have a few 78s hanging around. Oh, check out the Pirate of the Caribbean one. That's cool. From the ride. Very neat. But you can see all the different Loungeflies. Lots of them here, man. Alright, let's keep walking through. This is woman, so this is all different women's things, all the different clothing, merch. And look at all the ears. So you can find plenty of ears. Let's go have a quick look. Some ears here, guys. These are $34.99. And then the back wall, tons and tons. Oh, look, here's some Nightmare Before Christmas ears. Sally. Oh, those are cool. I like these. What's cool about these is they're good for Halloween and Christmas, right? And then all the different ears. You can see $34.99, mostly all the ears. These ones, $34.99. Yeah, all of them, $34.99. Lots of them. And you got your basic, your nice classic mini. I like to show the ears, guys, because these are popular. Loungeflies and ears, very popular. Oh, look at these. I mean, they got tons of them. You know, I don't really, when I come in here, because I live here, I'm not really like traveling. I don't always just go and look at everything. So it's kind of nice today doing this. Gives me an opportunity to kind of learn the store a little bit again. So I think what we'll do is, so the hub was over there. We kind of came this way. Let's walk in here, and then I'll kind of go around and then go up into the toys. So this is where they were doing a lot of the seasonal things over here. So this is where you can come in on that side. It's right near Amarette's Bakery, so you can come in there. There's another way you can go out. The Lego store is there. More cashiers here. So yeah, if you come in that way, I was kind of over that way. So if you come in this way, guys, you can see photo albums. They got kind of the light up wands over there. As you can see, a lot of the art, different art things. Oh, these are some cool Jack Skeleton ones there. So this is a nice little area if you want to just get little keychains, things like that. And you will notice when you check out, you'll have all these little gifts, little games, things like that, treats. So yeah, and then straight ahead, right now just a lot of plushes. So I'm curious because you know, Christmas merch should come out while it's still Halloween. So they're gonna still want to do their Halloween merch. I'm wondering, we'll have to do it when the Christmas merch comes out. I'll come back, but I got a feeling it will be over here. I could be totally wrong, but I believe it has been in this area for several years. And you can come in that way. That's where Amarette's Bakery is. So over in here, guys, all different plushes. So you want your plushes, this is where you're gonna come. So my mind always starts to think, well, wait a minute. This looks like it's been rethemed, right? It's got like the regular permanent sign up there, huggable, adorable. Maybe this is where they're just gonna do all their plushes. Maybe they will continue to do their Christmas. I don't know, I'm curious now, guys. Because when you start the vlog and you start to learn things about Disney, one thing I do mention a lot, Disney changes things all the time. So like before, this used to be all hats. This used to be where all the hats are. And now it's just all plushes. So things change, things switch. So yeah, you want your plushes. This looks like it's kind of been rethemed for plushes, right? With the way it's set up. So we'll have to wait and see. Either way, we'll be back at Christmas. So I'm going to show you all the Christmas merch. And pins, tons of pins there, guys, as we're making our way through. Up that way, the toys. We'll go check out the toys. Just kind of showing you as we do a nice little walkthrough here of the world of Disney. All right, guys, let's have a walk through. Here's lots of toys. You know, when you come to Disney and you got your kids, be prepared when you come in here, guys, because they're gonna say, I want this and I want that and I want this. Little card set. All the little figures over here, guys, just to show you. You got your Marvel, you got, you know, Up, Star Wars, you name it, they got it. So yeah, all those little play sets, the little figure play sets all along that wall. They got kids' clothes over here. And then, of course, you got all your princess dresses, guys, for all the little princesses that are coming. Look at these. I remember when my granddaughters came, it was so fun. We got them all a nice little princess dress. We had such a great time. So here it is, guys, all of the different princesses. And it goes on and on and on. More dresses and then more clothes.
I know it.
Wow, it's nice to be doing a tour in here, because I did a tour in here a while back, I think, on the channel, but it's changed so much, so I'm happy to give an update on the world of Disney. But I gotta find out where the hats are, guys. I think we kind of circled the whole store now. Oh, they got the dolls. I like to highlight certain things because kids' toys, it's popular. The ears are popular. The Loungeflies are popular. And of course, seasonal. Let me see if I can find where the hats went, though. Kind of wanted to highlight a little bit of the Pirates of the Caribbean collection, because I can't tell you if it's how long it's been around. It might have been around for years. I don't know, but it's kind of interesting. There are several different things, just kind of doing it quick, and I really did show the Loungefly earlier, but I like it. There's another t-shirt here. Very cool. So I'm kind of circling back because I found some hats. Look at that one. So I do see some more over there. Here's a nice one, guys. Honor. Military hat. Come over here. That's the attractions collection hat there. And let's see, here's another hat. So the hats are kind of a little bit different now. Before they were all in one spot, and it looks like there's still kind of a few here, but I noticed like over here there's another one. So it looks like the hats are a little bit spread out. Remember, I just showed those. Here's a Haunted Mansion hat. So yeah, some changes here in the world of Disney. Look at a clock. That's cool, man. Old school clock. So guys, we kind of went all around, and this is where we came in originally. So we're back where we started. I think I covered it all for you. There's the hub straight ahead. We'll have to see where the Christmas merch ends up. Yeah, so I figured I'd come outside I like to be thorough when I'm doing tours, so that's where we went in, World of Disney, some different entrances. But I want to come around this side, guys, and show you one other area you can get in. So you can really get a sense of how big the Disney store is. Here's Amarette's Bakery I was talking about, so if you went in that way, that's where all the plushes were. Guys, that pretty much covers everything. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Thank you to our Patreons. And last but not least, see ya!